breath awareness exercise. I find that whenever I'm not feeling calm and I'm stressed out, I have too many thoughts in my mind and I'm not quite feeling collected, this really quick and simple technique to bring my awareness back to my breath really helps. So all you need to do is you need to sit down. You can sit on the ground if you're comfortable, or you can also sit on a chair, but make sure that your feet are grounded if they are on the ground, or you can also sit cross-legged. You can take your glasses off if you're wearing them, and just keep your hands on your thighs. Make sure that your back is erect. If you're not able to keep your back erect for a couple of minutes, then you can also take some back rest. And just close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, just observe how your breathing pattern is. Is it short or is it long? Is it deep or is it shallow? Is it smooth or is it irregular? If there are any sounds that are coming, then just allow them to pass through you and don't really let your rhythm get broken by the external sounds or disturbances. Observe your breath as it touches the upper part of your lip, going in through the gates of your nostrils and septum into your lungs. Don't try to change your breath. Just observe it as it goes in, and then as it comes out, comes back through the same passage, touching the septum, the gates of your nostrils, and your upper lip, warm and moist. In a couple of minutes, you find that your breath is automatically settling down. It's getting slower on its own, softer. It's not jerky anymore. It's also getting deeper. And it's not just going into the lungs, but all the way to the abdomen. And you can literally direct it to any part of your body. Just observe that when your breath is like this, you take 10 breaths. Slow, soft, deep, and smooth. And once you're done with the 10 breaths, you can stop observing the breaths, let it go back to its own rhythm. You can open your eyes and just observe how your mind is feeling now.